I'm Kate, and today I'm joined in the studio by my lovely, beautiful dancers. And today's episode is all about our feet. Okay, so we're going to show you 3 exercises that you can do at home to strengthen your feet. Now, feet are really important. Sometimes we are so busy improving our flexibility in our splits and doing our jumps and doing all the things that we think are really fun, but we forget about our feet, and our feet are really the foundation of most styles of dance. So today, we're going to really work on them, and you can do these exercises at home. So the first one that we're going to do is calf raises. Now, we're going to use our balance beam, but you can use whatever you want at home. It might be a step or a box, or like a step's probably the easiest, I would say, but as long as you're able to hang your feet over the edge. So we're going to jump onto our balance beam facing the wall. We're going to put the balls of our feet only onto the balance beam, and we're going to make sure that our legs are nice and straight, and we're going to draw our heels downwards past the bar. So you'll be able to feel a really nice stretch in the back of your legs right now, and especially your Achilles and in your calves. So then from here, we're just going to very lightly, for our balance, place our fingertips only on the wall, and then we're going to do some calf raises. Now we're going to really control all the way up as we lift our heels up nice and high. Imagine that you're wearing really high heels, nice and high onto your demi point, and then controlling them down low past the bar. Great, and we're going to do that 4 more times, and then off we go, raising them up and controlling them down. Good, past the bar, and raising them up and controlling them down. Good, you'll feel a really nice stretch. We've got 2 more. Raising them up and controlling them down past the bar, and then raising them all the way up and then pressing them down past the bar. Beautiful. How'd that feel? Good. Okay, exercise number 2. So this one, we are going to do what I like to call thumbs up and thumbs down. And notice it's nothing to do with your hands, we're still working on our feet. But I would like for you to point through the arches of your feet, and we're going to only point from our second toe all the way through to our pinky toe. So we're making like a thumbs up. Ooh. Good one, you're going to feel a little stretch in there, keeping the arches of your feet pointed. Then we're going to swap, and we're going to go thumbs down. So big toes are going to go down, and the rest of the toes are going to go up. You might feel a little bit cramping there. And then change, thumbs up, and thumbs down, and thumbs up, and thumbs down, and thumbs up. And it's normal to make a concentrating face while you are doing thumbs up and thumbs down. Ooh, and then check it out. You might feel a little bit of cramping on your feet, and that's totally fine. And then if you're feeling a little bit advanced, and we had a bit of a giggle earlier on, doing piano toes. Now, piano toes, if you've not done them before, imagine that you're playing the piano and you're going pinky toes through to your next ones, and then through to your big toes, all the way through 5 toes. It is a little bit tricky to really, so you can have a little bit of a go. We might just, it's been a while since I've used my feet. So piano toes going one way, and then piano toes going the other way. That's a little bit more advanced, but if you practice at home, you may get that one. Oh, Lily's got it. Alright, moving on to exercise number 3. Okay, for this one, for our exercise number 3, you're going to need a door jam. Here is Exhibit A, our door. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to place your heel on the door jam. You're going to place the ball of your foot on the floor, and you're going to try and get the ball of your foot as close to the door as you possibly can, and then you're going to stretch through your knee, making sure that you're not sickling. Okay, let's have a try. Of ETC Studio Sessions. We hope that you found something in this video that can help you at home improve your foot strength. And make sure you like and subscribe, and we can't wait to see you next time here in the studio. Bye! Bye!